In this video, we take a look at what Fiori is. SAP Fiori is SAP's modern user interface and was developed to make working with the SAP system easier, clearer, and more intuitive. While the classic SAP graphical user interface uses transaction codes and form-based masks, Fiori relies on role-based applications that can be used via a web browser or mobile devices. The term Fiori stands for a design concept and a collection of applications based on modern usability principles. The aim of Fiori is to present complex SAP processes in an understandable way and simplify user guidance. Instead of entering long transaction codes, functions are displayed in the form of apps on a start page. These apps are structured according to task areas and roles, so that each person only sees the applications that are relevant to their work. Technically, SAP Fiori is based on an architecture consisting of a front end and a back end. The front end is the Fiori interface in the browser, while the back end is the actual SAP system in which the data is processed. Communication often takes place via so-called OData services, which provide data from the SAP system. Fiori applications are often divided into so-called app types. These include transactional apps, which are used to enter or change data, analytical apps, which display key figures and diagrams, and fact sheets, which provide detailed information on individual objects, such as materials or customers. A central entry point into the Fiori world is the Fiori Launchpad. It serves as a start screen and displays the available apps in the form of tiles. These tiles can display static information or dynamic content, such as key figures or open tasks. The Launchpad can be customized so that different roles have different start pages. Compared to the classic SAP graphical user interface, Fiori offers a more modern user experience with clear structures, search functions, filters, and graphical elements. Many processes can be carried out more quickly and intuitively without requiring in-depth technical knowledge of transaction codes. At the same time, many Fiori apps continue to access classic SAP functions and programs in the background, meaning that Fiori complements existing processes rather than replacing them entirely. In practice, many companies today work with a combination of the SAP graphical user interface and SAP Fiori. While standard processes are increasingly handled via Fiori applications, complex or rarely used functions continue to be accessed via classic transactions. In summary, SAP Fiori is SAP's modern user interface that provides role-based applications and simplifies access to SAP functions. It combines existing SAP logic in the backend with a user-friendly, web-based interface in the front end, representing an important step toward modern enterprise software.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.